Hello friends, this is Janvi Choksi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the series which is an example of triangular pattern series. In my previous video, we have learned about triangular pattern series and its example. In the description box, I have provided the link and you can check it out. 2, 9, 28, unknown number, 126, 217 and 344. Friends, this question has been asked in RRB 2005 and today we are going to learn its solution. So first of all, we need to understand that what is the triangular pattern series. When the consecutive terms of the series 2 and 9 are consecutive terms, 9 and 28 are consecutive terms. So when the consecutive terms of the series is such that it forms a new series, and when the consecutive terms of that new series forms a third series, so that is known as triangular pattern series because it forms a shape of triangle. Okay. Now this triangular pattern series continues till we get the uniform, or we can say equal difference between the consecutive terms of that previous series. Okay. Let's see how it works in this example. 2 and 9. So what is the relation between 2 and 9? Plus 7. So then 9 and 28. What is the relation between these two numbers? Plus 19. Then 28 and this unknown number. What is the relation between these two numbers? We do not know that. So we have to place question mark over here. Then this unknown number and 126. So what is the relation between these two numbers? Again we do not know. Then 126 and 270. What is the relation between these two numbers? When 126 is subtracted from 217, we get 91. What we get, friends? 91. Or we can cross check in another way, that when 91 is added to 126, we get 270. Why we have cross check like this? Because addition and subtraction are reversible processes than each other. So 270 and 344. What is the relation between these two terms? 127. Okay. Now this series, the difference between these consecutive terms of this series forms a new series. Okay, let's see how. 7 and 90. So what is the relation between these two terms? Plus 12. So we will write here plus 12. Fine. Now 19 and the unknown number. So definitely the relation between these two numbers also we do not know. So we will place question mark. Then here there are two unknown numbers. So their relation also we do not know. So again we have to put question mark. Then unknown number and 91. So again we do not know that number. So once again we have to put question mark, friends. And 91 and 127. So what is the relation between these two numbers? 36. So here we have to write 36. That is, when 36 is added into 91, we get 127. Now, in order to find these three unknown numbers, we need a next pattern in which there is a uniform, or we can say equal difference between these consecutive terms. Okay, equal difference we want. So, this we have to find out by trial and error method. Okay. Now let us start with plus 5. Let us take the difference 5 first. So plus 5. as we get uniform difference in the last series of the triangular pattern. Okay, so here also we will write plus 5. Here also plus 5. And then again plus 5. Let us try out by this difference first. Okay, so 12 plus 5 is 17. Then 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 5 is 27. And 27 plus 5 is 32. You can clearly see, friends, that the difference that the term which has been obtained over here, 32, is less than 36, which is the original term of the previous series. So that means that the difference which we have used should be increased than 5. Then only we will get the last term as 36. Yes? Here 32, which the term we have obtained by taking the uniform difference 5, that obtained term is 32, which is less than 36. And that's why this uniform difference needs to be increased. Okay. So let's try out with 6 now. Let's try it with 6 now. So 12 plus 6. Okay. So here uniform difference is there. So we need to write plus 6 and plus 6. And here plus 6. Now 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. And 30 plus 6 is what? 36, dear friends. Okay. Now, in order to find out this number, this third series we have obtained, in order to find this unknown number in the second series, what we need to do? We can say like that the difference between unknown number and 19 is 18. Okay, because it is a triangular pattern series. So we can say like that. Or in another way, we can tell that what is that unknown number when 18 is added into 19. So when 18 is added into 19, we get 37. What do we get? 37. Now 37, when added into 28, what we get? We get 65. So we have found out the desired number, 65. So 65 is the number which we wanted to find out. Okay. So friends, if you have not understand any particular topic or anything in this sum, so you can definitely ask me in the comment box. I will solve it. And if you have liked this video, so please press like and subscribe my channel and share with as many people as you can. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.